In this video, I will explain about the potentiometric estimation of FAS. Aim of the experiment is to determine the amount of FAS present in 1 liter of given solution by potentiometric method. For this experiment, we require a potentiometer and 2 electrodes. One is calomel electrode, which acts as reference electrode, and the other is platinum electrode acting as indicator electrode. Let us see the principle of this experiment. Here we will titrate the given ferrous ammonium sulfate solution against standard potassium dichromate solution. This reaction is redox reaction. Here FAS acts as reducing agent and potassium dichromate acts as oxidizing agent. Both calomel and platinum electrodes are immersed in FAS solution, which constitutes a cell. Here you can see the cell representation and cell reactions. Initially, ferrous ions will be present in the given solution. As we titrate against potassium dichromate solution, ferrous ions will oxidize to ferric ions. This results in the change in relative concentration of ferric to ferrous ions. The potential of indicator electrode, that is platinum electrode, depends on the relative concentration of ferric to ferrous ions. Potential of the cell will be E cathode minus E anode, that is E platinum minus E calomel. Here the electrode potential of calomel electrode is constant. As we add more and more potassium dichromate solution, more and more ferrous ions oxidize to ferric ions. This results in the increase in the electrode potential of platinum electrode, hence increase in EMF of the cell. At the end point, due to the complete oxidation of ferrous ions to ferric ions, there is a sharp increase in the EMF. Let us see how to conduct the experiment. A sample of FAS solution will be provided in a 100 ml beaker. To this solution, 10 ml dilute sulfuric acid is added. This acts as a catalyst for redox reaction. The electrodes are washed with distilled water and immersed in the sample solution. The platinum electrode is connected to positive terminal and the calomel electrode is connected to negative terminal. Now switch on the apparatus. 10 ml burette is washed with distilled water, rinsed with potassium dichromate solution and filled with potassium dichromate solution. The burette reading is adjusted to exact 0. The solution is stirred and the maximum potential value is noted. Potassium dichromate solution is added in 0.5 ml increment and the solution is stirred and the potential is recorded. The addition of potassium dichromate is continued. At the end point, there will be a sudden increase in the potential. The potential is recorded for each addition of potassium dichromate. Change in volume, change in potential and delta E by delta V are calculated. A graph of delta E by delta V versus volume of potassium dichromate is plotted. The volume of potassium dichromate corresponds to peak of the graph is the equivalence point. By knowing equivalence point, strength of FAS solution can be calculated. By multiplying strength with equivalent weight, amount of FAS present in 1 liter of given solution can be calculated. In this experiment, the amount of FAS present in 1 liter of given solution is found to be 1.96 grams